The Fujifilm X-T series has been a game-changer since its debut in 2014. Known for its retro-inspired design and cutting-edge technology, it has captured the hearts of photographers worldwide. And now rumors are swirling about the next big thing in Fujifilm's APS-C lineup, the Fujifilm X-T6. In this video, we'll break down everything we know about the rumored specs, expected price, and potential release date of this exciting new camera. Let's dive in. The X-T6 is expected to retain Fujifilm's signature retro aesthetic, but with some key improvements. Early rumors suggest a more compact and lightweight body compared to the X-T4, making it an ideal choice for travel and on-the-go shooting. A redesigned grip could offer better ergonomics, ensuring comfortable handling during long shoots. Photographers can also anticipate an upgraded electronic viewfinder with higher resolution, providing a crystal-clear preview of your shots. And for those who love shooting at creative angles, a fully articulating rear LCD screen is likely to make a return, catering to both photographers and videographers. At the heart of the X-T6, we might see a 40-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 sensor. This would be a massive leap from the 26.1 megapixel sensor found in the X-T4. With this upgrade, photographers can expect unparalleled image quality, capturing incredible detail and improved low-light performance. Paired with Fujifilm's legendary color science, the X-T6 could become the go-to camera for both professional and hobbyist photographers looking to elevate their work. The autofocus system is rumored to receive a significant boost as well. With advanced subject detection and tracking capabilities, the X-T6 could lock onto moving subjects with precision, delivering sharp images every time. Whether you're photographing athletes in motion or wildlife in their natural habitat, this improved AF system promises to keep up with your creative vision. For videographers, the X-T6 might just be a dream come true. Rumors suggest internal 6K recording at 30 frames per second and 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second. With advanced codecs like ProRes RAW, filmmakers could unlock professional-grade video quality straight out of the camera. And here's the real kicker. There's speculation that Fujifilm might incorporate a global shutter or a hybrid shutter mechanism. This would eliminate rolling shutter distortion, making the X-T6 perfect for fast-action video work. To handle these high-performance features, the X-T6 will likely be powered by the all-new X-Processor 5. This chip could bring faster processing speeds, enhanced image quality, and improved power efficiency. And let's not forget battery life. With the new processor, we can expect the X-T6 to offer longer shooting times, keeping you in the moment without frequent interruptions. Now, let's talk about the big questions: price and release date. Fujifilm has traditionally positioned the X-T series as premium options, but some sources suggest they might adopt a more aggressive pricing strategy for the X-T6. This move could make it more accessible to a wider audience, appealing to both seasoned professionals and aspiring creators. As for the release date, Fujifilm's typical refresh cycle points to a launch window between May and August of 2025. If the rumored specs hold true, the Fujifilm X-T6 could be one of the most exciting cameras in recent years. Combining cutting-edge technology with Fujifilm's timeless design and user-friendly features, it's set to be a powerhouse for photographers and videographers alike. If you're a fan of Fujifilm's X-E series, you're in for a treat today. We've got some exciting leaks and rumors about the upcoming Fujifilm X-E5. So grab a seat and get ready as we dive into the most exclusive details on the rumored specs for the X-E5. The official announcement is just around the corner, and we can't wait to see if these rumors hold up. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with what everyone's been buzzing about, the sensor. According to trusted sources, the Fujifilm X-E5 is rumored to feature a brand new 40.2 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5 sensor. That's right, 40.2 megapixels. This will be the highest resolution ever seen in the XE series. Just to put that into perspective, the XE4 had a 26.1 megapixel sensor, which was already a fantastic option for detailed shots. But the XE5's 40.2 megapixel sensor marks nearly a 50% increase in resolution. This means you'll be able to capture incredible detail, perfect for landscape, portrait, or street photography. Imagine the level of detail this upgrade could deliver. Whether you're shooting wide scenic vistas or capturing intricate textures in your subject, this higher resolution is a game changer. And get this, the XE5 is expected to support 16-bit RAW recording, a feature typically reserved for high-end cameras. This means you'll get unprecedented color depth, smoother gradients, and a lot more flexibility in post-production. Photographers and editors alike will love the potential. Now let's talk about autofocus. Autofocus is one of the most critical features for any photographer, and the XE5 is rumored to take it to the next level. It might come with a hybrid autofocus system featuring a whopping 294 autofocus points, almost covering the entire frame. For comparison, the XE4 had only 117 points, so this is a massive upgrade. Plus, it's expected to have advanced subject detection autofocus, which can track people, animals, and even objects. Whether you're doing wildlife photography or sports, this new system could make sure your focus stays sharp, even in challenging conditions. One of the major drawbacks of the XE4 was the lack of in-body image stabilization, or APS-C. But don't worry, the XE5 is rumored to change that. It's expected to feature 5-axis APS-C, offering up to 7 stops of stabilization. This means you'll be able to shoot handheld even in low light without worrying about camera shake or blur. That's going to be a huge improvement for videographers and photographers alike, especially in dynamic, fast-paced environments. For action enthusiasts, the XE5 might support continuous shooting speeds of up to 20 frames per second with the electronic shutter and 15 frames per second with the mechanical shutter. That's a significant boost from the XE4's 8 frames per second, making the XE5 a potential powerhouse for sports, wildlife, or fast-moving subjects. Now, let's shift gears and talk about video. The XE5 isn't just about still photography, it's also shaping up to be a strong contender in the video world. It's rumored to support 4K recording at 60 frames per second and Full HD 1080p at a mind-blowing 240 frames per second for ultra-slow motion video. That's perfect for filmmakers who need smooth, high-quality footage. Plus, the addition of F-Log recording will give filmmakers a wider dynamic range, making it much easier to color grade and enhance your footage in post-production. Fujifilm fans love the rangefinder aesthetic of the XE series, and it looks like the XE5 will retain that iconic look. But it doesn't stop there. The XE5 is expected to feature a weather-resistant magnesium alloy body, which addresses one of the XE4's weaknesses, durability. The added weight of 450 grams compared to the XE4's 364 grams is a small price to pay for the enhanced build quality and weatherproofing, especially if you're a travel photographer. Another improvement is the rumored addition of dual SD card slots that support UHS 2 cards. This upgrade will provide more storage flexibility and faster read-write speeds, which is a major plus for professional photographers and videographers who rely on quick data transfer. Expect modern connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a USB-C port for fast charging and data transfer. And for those using external monitors or recorders, the XE5 might also include an HDMI port. So when can we expect to see the XE5 hit the market? While Fujifilm hasn't confirmed anything officially, sources suggest the XE5 could be released sometime in late 2025. And as for pricing, it's likely to fall in the $1,000 to $1,200 range, making it a competitive option in the mid-tier mirrorless camera market. With all of these rumored features, the high-resolution sensor, advanced autofocus, in-body stabilization, incredible video capabilities, and improved build quality, the Fujifilm X-E5 is shaping up to be a serious game-changer in the mirrorless camera market. Would you invest in the X-E5 for your next camera upgrade? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're excited for the official release, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates on this highly anticipated release.